They are focused and they know their way ahead. And I'm very positive that each and every one, the youth here who have come as delegates, they are the future leaders of their country because they have potential in them. And therefore, I'm going to talk to you about your visit to our place and also the spirit behind this visit and this summit Y20 meeting and your arrival here. First of all, on behalf of the people of Ladakh, I welcome our esteemed Y20 delegates here in Leh. I also welcome you on my own behalf, being the elder of the Ladakhi family. I also have great pleasure to welcome you here at the highest meeting point which in India the delegates of G20 or Y20 had. We are meeting here at an altitude of almost 11,000 feet above the mean sea level. For us in India, Atith Devo Bhava, that is the dictum, and this has been so strong an expression that it has been mentioned by my previous speakers one after the other. And it means that our guests are like our gods. And on that laudable note also I welcome you. Ladies and gentlemen, this great opportunity of welcoming the Y20, G20 delegates all over the country, all over India, in various cities, in various places, various districts. It has become possible only and only on account of the vision, wisdom and magnanimity of our leader, Sri Narendra Modi ji, our Prime Minister. His sublime thought of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which again has been said by our previous speakers, that the whole world is one family. It is the propelling force behind all this program, which is G20. And his vision of one earth, one family, one future. Now these are very laudable words. And these words are unparalleled in the history of the efforts ever made for the mutual cooperation and integration of the mankind. Ladies and gentlemen, we in India, we have a civilization of more than 5,000 years. And the dictum which our leader, Honorable Narendra Modi ji, he emulates, that comes from Rig Veda, which was written about 6,000 years back. And it is, and I quote, Ano Bhadra Krito, Ano Bhadra Krito, Yantu Vishato, Tadmasau Aparitasa Udvida, Devanu Yatha, Sadvid Vidha, Asanna Prayo, Rakshitaro Dvedve. It means that the entire world, from any and every corner of the world, only good news should come. There should be no bad news from anywhere. And this good body which the Almighty God has given us, let it be protected by Him every day, every day. Now that is the idea which our Prime Minister emulates, and this entire program of G20, Y20, it is a result of that thinking of his. Ladies and gentlemen, it is due to the vision as I mentioned, and his imagination, Prime Minister's imagination, that we have got an opportunity to meet you here, to welcome you here, and also to learn from you about your place, about your culture, about your social milieu, and also your different traditions and different leanings. And that is an education for us. As far as our country is concerned, we in India, we are taking this program with great joy, with great pleasure, and with great pride. Anywhere, everywhere you are going, the welcome for you is visible and is tremendous. Now, as far as India is concerned, your visit is not only welcome, but is beneficial also for the entire nation of ours, for everyone in our country, be it on the plane of social interaction, economic activities, emotional play, or ceremonial occasion. On all these planes, it is very welcome, and we are very happy. Entire India is very happy. Now, as far as your visit to Ladakh is concerned, I would have loved to take you to each and every spot in Ladakh which is so good, but time and space constraint, it does not allow us to do so. And therefore, for your familiarization with Ladakh, I have Ladakh, the place, the people, the life of people, and also the prospects. I have collected some pictures which I want to show you for familiarization purposes. Now, this is enchanting moonland. See the beauty of Ladakh in moonlit night, where the mountains shine as a rock of gold. Next. Taking care of our children. Ladies and gentlemen, Anganwadi or courtyard shelters for toddlers in Ladakh play a crucial role in providing nutrition, education, and health care to children under 6 and lactating mothers. These centers have helped improve the overall health and well-being of the children and empowering our women. Now, look at the women empowerment initiatives. Ensuring empowerment of our women has been one of the focus areas of ours in Ladakh. Our women are excelling in preserving Ladakh's culture and heritage, and they have demonstrated self-help groups who work on handloom and handicraft. We support them with training, finance, technical assistance, and market access. In tourism, education, healthcare, also our women are playing vital role and participating in Ladakh's development. Empowerment through skill development initiatives. We aim to promote traditional handloom, handicrafts, and also modern skills like solar technician training, electrician, plumbers, digital skills to support sustainable development and open up avenues for self-employment for the people. Now here you see the Ladakh's entrepreneurship development initiative. It is to create employment opportunity for local startups and preserve the region's culture and tradition. Now, ladies and gentlemen, see the GI tagged finest Pashmina wool, and it is the best in the world. Ladakhi Pashmina is precious wool crafted into finished products by skilled artisans using traditional looms. It is benefiting the Pashmina boat keepers, artisans, young entrepreneurs, and the overall economy of our state, Ladakh. World famous Ladakhi wood carving. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a traditional craft passed down from generation to generation. These features have intricate designs reflecting the region's unique traditions and culture. Its geographical indication tagging protects authenticity and tradition knowledge. My government supports their training and collaborates to create sustainable employment opportunities for our artisans. Ladies and gentlemen, Ladakh has the world's sweetest apricot. Ladakh's apricots are an integral part of the region's horticulture heritage. It has many varieties. Rakse, Karpo, and Halman varieties of Ladakh apricot have gained recognition for its exceptional taste. I am happy to share that we have started exporting these apricots to places like Dubai, Vietnam, and Singapore. Gaining the GI tagging has improved visibility and marketability of Ladakh's apricot products. See buckthorn or lay berry, the powerful super berry. It is, ladies and gentlemen, it is a rare berry which grows in the wild in Ladakh. It has high nutritional and medical values with rich vitamin C content. Our young local entrepreneurs have set up processing units for products made of this remarkable berry, such as juice, jams, oil, and above all, a wide range of cosmetics. Ice hockey. Our ice hockey team is the matter of a great pride for us. They have been performing remarkably well in national and international tournaments. This sport has given Ladakh a chance to prove its unique identity in the world, as you will see in the next one here. Our winter sports. In addition to ice hockey, Ladakh has a huge potential for other winter sport activities like ice climbing, ice skating, skiing, and the frozen lake marathon, which takes place at the scenic Pagong Lake. This marathon race has been included in the Guinness Book of World Records for being the first of its kind at such an altitude. Please see this polo on the top of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, polo in Ladakh has a distinct style with players wearing traditional attire and riding horses that are unique to the region. Polo tournaments are organized throughout the region of Ladakh. I would like to make a special mention of our polo ground in Dras. It is at an altitude of about 10,000 feet above the mean sea level. India is leading the way in carbon neutral initiative. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very proud to say that the carbon neutral Ladakh vision is a flagship of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. It aims at reducing the carbon footprint of Ladakh. The region's unique geography and abundant sunlight make it an ideal location for solar power generation. By adopting a sustainable and eco-friendly approach to development, Ladakh is setting an example for the world in the field of carbon neutral initiative. Towards carbon neutrality through electric vehicles. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope your electric bus ride in Ladakh, I am talking about delegates, your electric ride in Ladakh was pleasant and comfortable. The vehicles which you use for your travel around the town and its suburbs were a part of our electric vehicle initiative in Ladakh. This is a key component of the region's carbon neutral vision. To encourage the adoption of e-vehicles, we are providing our citizens with 20 to 50% subsidy, which is the maximum among all states in India for the purchase of these vehicles. Our defense forces contribute to carbon neutrality. Ladies and gentlemen, amongst all the armies of the world, the Indian Armed Forces in Ladakh are the best partners in carbon neutrality programs. They are helping Ladakh move closer to achieve carbon neutrality. Mission Organic Development Initiative. Ladakh's greenhouse projects address food security and economic challenges by constructing modern, energy-efficient greenhouses that utilizes passive solar heating techniques for year-round cultivation. The project generates income and employment opportunities for farmers and local youth, showcasing sustainable development that addresses Ladakh's economic challenge. Jal Jeevan Mission at sub-zero temperature. It is remarkable to see the progress made in providing functional household tap water all year round in Ladakh. Please note the water pipe insulation at the left top from snow and ice, which enables the tap to run when water freezes in Ladakh in peak winter months. Homestay, boosting the village economy. See the beautiful homestay atmosphere here, the provisions. Promoting homestay in Ladakh is a unique initiative. Homestays are not only providing a memorable experience for travelers, but have also helped economically the local families. Incredible apricot blossom. Ladakh's apricot blossom is an ever memorable sight with its white flowers covering the entire landscape in early spring. It not only adds to the scenic beauty of the region, but also plays a vital role in the local economy, as apricot is our major cash crop. Unfortunately, the blossoms are now over. Otherwise, you would have enjoyed the visual extravaganza of your heart's content. Hanle, India's first dark sky sanctuary, a lifetime experience, a center for astro tourism in Ladakh. Hanle Dark Sky Sanctuary in Ladakh is the first dark sky sanctuary of India. It preserves the pristine night sky of the region with some of the clearest and darkest skies in the world. The sanctuary not only showcases Ladakh's dedication to sustainable tourism and preserving its natural heritage, but also helps reduce the carbon footprint by promoting eco-friendly practices. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to assert that our borders are well guarded. Indian Army in Ladakh ensures safety and security of the nation. They also very effectively protect India's territorial integrity. Our army also engages in many people's welfare initiatives through Sadbhavana missions. They promote development and trust building among the locals, which includes infrastructure, healthcare, education, professional training of youth, and promotes the region's growth. I salute the Indian Army for their courage, commitment, spirit to sacrifice in protecting the sovereignty of our motherland, India, that is Bharat. Ladies and gentlemen, Jule, Jai Hind, Jai Ladakh. Ladies and gentlemen, we the people of Ladakh wish you glorious future. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Lieutenant Governor, sir, for your remarks, for your enlightening words. And ladies and gentlemen, after heads of G20 countries, now our Honorable LG sir will felicitate heads of invited organizations and guest countries.
तो नाजरीन आपको बता दें कि जिस तरह से G20 के बैनर तले लद्दाख